Hi everyone, so you've got this error 540 and it says server error on your phone app and you're thinking, will I get in my car? What's going to happen? We're going to do a few tests and we're going to do, if you stay with me to the right to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. I'm going to look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
So with this error, does the voice command still work? Well, let's have a look. Lock doors. Yes, it puts the windows up and locks the doors. So my guess is those things are working on the car, which is a good news. You may not be so lucky because you may have an error that doesn't allow you to do that. And then your phone may not actually link to the car itself. The answer is you need your key card or the Tesla ring, which will allow us to open the car as well. So those things external work for the car, so that's not a problem. My guess, which we're going to prove now, is the car is not talking to the server, therefore it won't know geographically where it is in relation to where your car is. And just as I thought, it doesn't know where you are. So externally the car can't talk to each other, so therefore it won't get any of the updates that it needs, anything, because it's not actually talking. It doesn't recognize it. Let's see about fixing it for you, because this is where we want to get to now, okay? And if you've got as far as this, please think about subscribing to the channel. We do all the tips for you, and I'm going to show you now how you can fix it and get back on the road with everything working as it should. Let's go. So to fix it, all we're going to do is we're going to press the front wheels, both of those, and the foot on the brake, and like this. So it's very easy to do for me. I just press my two fingers together. I've got quite large thumbs and fingers, so I can literally got a big span. And as you see, the screen is now out, so we're going to let the screen back at 1 minute 40. But we're not going to wait 1 minute 40. We're going to go just like this. Okay, screen's back on. Haven't had any updates yet. Into my software, give it a quick advance a few times, see if that'll give me an update later. Right, so let's pull off this and let's have a look at the app now and see if it's come back. There you have it, all fixed, done, and you're back in the business again. That is brilliant. I'm glad I fixed it for you. When I got it this morning, it was a bit daunting, and I'm sure that I'm waiting, like everybody, for these updates to come, and we hope that's been very helpful to you. And don't forget, if you are going to go into the competition, stick to the end. It will tell you exactly what you need to do to get into that. Anyway, I hope this has been very informative for you. It's now solved all your problem until the next problem I can find for you to solve. Until then, I look forward to seeing you then. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack, oops.